Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. I wanted to talk about this fantastic throwback. It's the Civivi Brigand in D2 with tan or khaki G10. But the gripping is pretty good, texture's pretty good. G10 backspacer. It's got T8 screws all the way around. And this is a discontinued knife. Wasn't aware of that just before I pressed record here, and I apologize about that. But I'm sure you could still get these. But I mean, it shouldn't be hard to hunt down, or if you can't, then these are the ones that are the close. But this was a very smooth knife, or is a very smooth knife. I did put a nice edge on it, nice good clean edge on it. Let's see, yeah. So the tip is nice, pointed, strong. I think this one's a 17. It's not bad. I mean, it cuts. I mean, so yeah. Civivi Brigand. I don't know. It was, we were going through these Civivis, just looking at them. I mean, I've got the Saxy, the Crowley, the Conspirator, the Honor, the Sencut Honors, the Watuga here, Sencut. So these are all good throwbacks and are all plunge locks except for the Honors, which is one of the easiest knives to practice middle finger flipping. But in any case, back to this particular knife. It's got a wonderful satin blade. That blade shape is just awesome. And it's super light. Like the G10, the shadow boxing of these scales, T8s. Look at that. And then I think that's T6 for the screws. And it's not inset, but it's flat with flat screws. So I'm okay with that. Could always use a better clip, but in any case, you don't want to go on that. And what do you know? I got lefty friendly on the liner lock. I don't know what happened there, like you have all these ambidextrous knives, and then the liner locks, you put lefties on them. I don't want to be one to find lefties need some love too, Left-handed knives or left-handed carries. Just do it. Can't be that expensive. But this is just an overall really good knife. And this is just a rapid overview of these knives. I mean, you've probably seen this a billion times back in the day. I'm not showing you anything different or new here. Jipping on this is good. Comes down to a very good thin blade, and then comes down to an even lower, even thinner. I don't know what what it is behind, but it is ridiculous. I could barely feel the transition, especially out here. But in any case, like I said, this isn't a full review. It's just no review of an old badass knife. But yeah, just wanted to make a 5-minute rapid of this. And this is the Civivi Brigand. and if you can find it, definitely worth getting it. Sorry that it's not readily available, but or hopefully they are. I checked on Civivi's website and Amazon. I'm sure they're somewhere, but that'll do it for this particular video. This is Spider G. If you found this interesting, like, sub, comment, share would be incredibly helpful. Continue to be safe, have fun, and if you just be safe. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye bye.